if I told you a few simple kitchen gadgets could completely change the way you cook? Faster, easier, and way more fun. In today's video, I'm showing you some of the most genius kitchen tools on Amazon that people don't realize they need until they try them once and can't live without them. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be adding at least one of these to your cart. All the links are in the description below. Now let's jump in. You shouldn't have to wait an hour for a bulky machine to freeze a single batch of ice cream. This dual-chamber dessert maker allows you to churn out two completely different customized frozen yogurt or smoothie flavors at the exact same time, satisfying everyone's sweet tooth instantly. Beat the intense summer heat by turning your kitchen into a private juice bar. This high-capacity slushie machine blends professional-grade frozen cocktails, icy slushies, and thick milkshakes effortlessly, backed by a quick self-cleaning cycle that eliminates post-party mess. Pitting individual cherries for summer pies or jams is an incredibly slow, tedious chore. This heavy-duty mechanical stoner punches through a mountain of fresh cherries at lightning speed, separating the pits into a lower storage container while keeping the fruit perfectly whole. Cheap plastic meal prep containers stain easily and almost always leak inside your gym bag. Crafted from thick, durable borosilicate glass, this premium lunch bowl features a heavy-duty screw-top seal that easily survives bumpy commutes while being completely microwave safe. Constantly opening an air fryer basket to check on your food lets valuable heat escape and ruins your cooking times. This elegant glass-enclosed system offers crystal-clear visibility from every angle, combining multiple appliance functions into a single, easy-to-clean design. Making homemade bread from scratch usually means hours of exhausting kneading and mess. This quiet countertop baker handles the mixing, rising, and baking cycles entirely on its own. Simply toss in your ingredients and let the smart automated programs do the work. Trying to scrape stubborn honey or thick peanut butter out of a standard measuring cup always leaves a massive sticky mess behind. This mechanical cylinder adjusts to your precise liquid or solid measurement, then pushes forward to cleanly expel every single dropout. Trying to coordinate 3 different hot appetizers for a party can quickly overwhelm a standard stovetop. This triple crockpot station features independent temperature controls for each separate ceramic bowl, keeping your entire buffet spread hot all night. Buying high-protein breakfast egg bites at a drive-thru every morning is a serious drain on your wallet. This compact steam-infusing appliance cooks up to 9 cafe-style egg bites in minutes, utilizing non-stick silicone cups that pop clean effortlessly. Being anchored to a single kitchen wall outlet while mixing delicate baking batters is highly restrictive. This high-torque cordless mixer moves with you anywhere across the kitchen island, offering multiple speed settings without any annoying cords getting in the way. Delicate sauces and thick gravies can scorch onto the bottom of your pan the second you turn your back to chop vegetables. This hands-free automatic stirrer stands directly inside your hot pots, cycling through multiple speeds to keep your food moving constantly. Your coffee machine should adapt to your schedule instead of locking you into one brewing style. This versatile dual station brews a full 12-cup glass carafe for a busy morning crowd, or switches instantly to single-serve pods for a quick cup on your way out the door. Standing over a traditional hot griddle flipping individual pancakes means eating breakfast cold after everyone else is finished. This non-stick baking station cooks 25 uniform, bite-sized mini pancakes simultaneously, turning a rushed morning routine into a fun family event. Juggling multiple metal graters and loose cutting boards creates a massive pile of dirty dishes for no reason. This integrated set features interchangeable coarse, medium, and fine grating panels that drop your prep work straight into a marked measurement bowl. Standard refrigerator ice cubes are dense, hard, and melt way too quickly in cold drinks. This rapid countertop machine generates that soft, chewable nugget ice loved by cafes in under 10 minutes, giving your home smoothies and sodas a major upgrade. Your kitchen deserves a distinct personality instead of looking like a generic showroom of cold, stainless steel boxes. This stunning retro fridge combines a bold, mid-century aesthetic with modern multi-zone cooling tech, turning a standard appliance into a major design statement. You don't need an expensive backyard setup or a perfectly clear day to enjoy authentic wood-smoked barbecue. This heavy-duty indoor smoker bypasses unpredictable weather entirely, circulating rich wood smoke flavors through your meats right on your kitchen counter. Moving meat around to avoid flare-ups is a frustrating way to grill. By letting you mechanically adjust the height of the actual cooking grates relative to the coals, this heavy-duty backyard grill introduces a level of temperature precision standard setups can't match. Buying overpriced cafe lattes every morning adds up fast. This high-torque, handheld frother whips standard milk into a dense, velvety microfoam in seconds, giving your morning brew a premium, barista-level texture right at home. Fishing out soggy, wet food scraps from a clogged sink drain is easily the grossest part of doing dishes. This flexible corner bracket holds a disposable mesh net to catch waste instantly during food prep, letting you lift and toss the mess away without ever touching it. Standard ice creams are packed with added sugars and heavy preservatives. This high-powered dessert mixer breaks down completely frozen fruit or protein blends into incredibly smooth, creamy gelato and sorbet, giving you total control over your ingredients. Keeping hands clean shouldn't feel boring. This motion-activated foaming soap dispenser removes physical surface contact completely while adding a quirky, light-hearted conversation piece that guests will definitely notice in your bathroom. Most high-speed juicers are loud enough to wake the neighbors and an absolute nightmare to clean. This cold press model runs quietly, utilizing a slow extraction process that yields smoother, nutrient-dense juices with almost zero separation or foam. Slicing individual cherry tomatoes or loose grapes one by one for a salad is a tedious waste of prep time. This clever handheld cutter divides small fruits into clean quarters with a single downwards press, keeping your fingers completely safe from sharp blades. Storing your grains in floppy, open plastic bags invites unwanted moisture and household pests. This sleek countertop bin holds up to 22 pounds of rice securely, dispensing a precise, pre-measured volume cleanly into an integrated washing cup with a single press. Peeling a massive pile of garlic cloves or tiny fruits leaves your fingers smelling pungent and takes forever. This enclosed electric chamber uses rapid skin stripping rotation to peel your ingredients completely in under 15 seconds flat. Here's a dinner party idea your guests probably haven't seen before. Instead of bringing steaks out already cooked, these heated stones let everyone cook their own right at the table exactly how they like it. The stones stay hot long enough to deliver a proper sear while keeping the meat juicy and flavorful. Lugging heavy crates of carbonated water from the grocery store is a tiring routine that wastes money. This advanced carbonation system lets you customize precise fizz levels and mix custom flavors at home, slashing your single-use plastic waste dramatically.